How to get a YouTube Premium student discount. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can get the YouTube Premium student discount. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first of all, let's know about the eligibility for the student membership first. To sign up for a YouTube student membership, there must be some requirements that you need to fulfill. First of all, be enrolled as a student at a higher education institution in a location where the YouTube student memberships are offered. Be sure that you have this feature or you have completed this requirement of the YouTube in order to get the YouTube student membership. The next thing is the higher education institution needs to be Share ID approved, and the eligibility of the institution is decided by the Share ID program. So see if your higher education institute is Share approved or not, because if it is not, you won't be getting the YouTube student membership eligibility. So to check if your school has student plans available, what you can do is go to the student plan landing page for YouTube Premium or YouTube Music Premium. After that, select try it for free and type in your school on your Share ID form. If your school is on the list, then the student plans are available. After that, you just need to be verified as a Share ID. For help with the verification process, you just need to email at this email address that is shown on my screen right now that says customer service @shareid.com. So you may just contact with the following email address in order to get help with the verification process and get the YouTube Premium student discount. And if you meet the eligibility requirements for a membership, you'll be eligible for the 4 consecutive years of student membership. You'll be required to re-verify your eligibility every year. After you have verified your Share ID, what you can do is go to your computer or your mobile web browser and go to youtube.com/premium/student. After that, select try it for free and follow the steps to complete the verification with Share ID. Select the payment method you wish to use for and add a new payment method and click buy to complete the transaction, and you should be successfully able to get the YouTube Premium student discount. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do it. So I hope the video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.